Holy shit! Oh my fucking god! What is that fire? How do you wear it like this? It's that kind of fire, low key. Everybody sub up and like up on the chat. Subscribe to the channel, y'all. Bro, am I tripping on the snow got worse? Yo, it's like snowing now. Holy shit. Yo. 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 Oh, yeah. I gotta go out there. Whoa, this is cool. Damn, I feel like I'm in a really Mongolia now.
Welcome to Mongolia.
What is this?
Dried curds, milk, made with milk, try it.
It's milk?
That's a traditional Mongolian snack.
Damn, it's good.